everyone, welcome to Growing Craft and I hope you all are doing good. Now before we start this tutorial, please do make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you guys do not miss out any of our updates. Now coming back to the project, this is something which I make every year and I absolutely love it. Now to start with, here I'm going to use my craft punch technique where you have your beautiful craft punch and you can just take out your cardstock of the required design, color, and then you can punch it. Here I'm using a red color cardstock and I'm using my heart-shaped craft punch. Now the card what I'm making is a 10 reason why I love you. So I'm going to have 10 beautiful cutouts with me. Once this is ready, it's time to move on to the next process where I have already done the border lining to these heart cutouts. Whatever the supplies I'm using are there on our website at growingcraft.com. Now here I have already pre-printed all these 10 reasons why I love you tags and I'm going to stick my hearts in these. I always use my liquid glue for this particular technique because the tacky tape with the Indian weather, it doesn't stay as long, especially for these tiny mini processes. So just adding a dot of glue and I'm going to add my beautiful heart cutouts to these. So my cutouts are ready. These are looking so gorgeous and now it's time to make an envelope. Now this is a quick tutorial but you can switch on to the envelope making tutorial which I have already mentioned in the description box and you can see the complete detail of how did I make this envelope. This is a quick one. I have taken a cardstock of size 21 centimeter by 21 centimeter, scoring as per the required size. So here the envelope which I have made is 5.5 inches by 6.5 inches. That is the particular size which I wanted. You guys can create the envelope of your required sizes. Like I have taken the size as per my tag sizes. So here with the help of my envelope making board, I'm just scoring all the sides, punching, and then I'm going to fold it and score it really well. So once this is done, sticking your edges and your envelope is ready. This is one of the easiest way of making envelope. You don't have any hassle. Quickly you can make envelope of all the different sizes and I absolutely love this tool. I think this was one of the best buy for me when it comes to card making and scrapbook making, because even in scrapbook I use a lot of envelopes and these are so super handy. So here I'm almost done with my envelope, and of course because it's such a special envelope for the Valentine's Day for your loved ones, it has to be special. Now once the envelope is done, we are going to do a lot of decoration work. So here I have added a beautiful pattern paper. I'll list down all the supplies in the description box, do check that. Once I'm done with my pattern paper sticking, I'm going to use a lot of my punch details here. So here I'm using a lace punch border and I have already created the beautiful lace of the same pattern paper. I didn't want to add too much color or patterns in this because the thing which I wanted to highlight was the 10 reasons why I love you, and of course the heart has to be there. Guys, if you are liking this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Now adding a beautiful sentiment here, the 10 reasons why I love you, and then I'm just going to add some more embellishment and the dotting work here. Once this is done, adding some more craft punch lace here just to add a little more drama, just to add a little more depth to my layout, and this looks absolutely gorgeous. Now with this project is done. This looks so cute. Buy these on my website at growingcraft.com. These are ready to deliver to your loved ones. So beautiful tag envelope card where you have 10 reasons why I love you, and they look gorgeous. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care and bye bye.